Hello guys, in today's video we will be unboxing MI Smart Band 4. This I have ordered from Amazon and for the price tag of 2300 rupees. The delivery was very quick and short as expected from Amazon. Let's see the unboxing. Let's see the packing here. The packing is okay, it's more like a cardboard packing. You will see the details of import and the other important features, the key features of this product backside. You can also see the other information. Let's see what it is mentioned here. It's about the input current, the input voltage, the Bluetooth feature, and the IP rating, which is mentioned here as 5 ATM, which is 5 atmospheric pressure. Wireless connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0 BLE, which means it is very efficient and will not consume too much of power. It is compatible with both Android as well as iOS, version 4.4 for Android and iOS 9.0 or above for the Apple devices. Like you see, it is designed in Huami and which has been imported from China. It mentions on the box India's #1 wearable brand. Yes, I also will agree to this because it is very cheap, very economic, but still has got all the key features to get you rolling on the streets. Let me take this out here. It comes as this. The packing seems to be cardboardish, not very great as I could see. Let me see what other things that we have got in this packing here. You have got a user manual, some documentation, all mentioned in English, some installation guide, how do we do it, a product overview, and a QR scanner, a QR code for you to scan and get the application, which is the MiFit application, with which you will be able to pair and control your MI band. Let me keep it aside. This is the main band. We will keep it little, we'll open it a little later. Let us see what do we have. What else do we have in the packing? We have the standard charger for the MI. Inside it is prescribed as MI, and then we have the two pogo pins, as you can see here. These are the two pins which will help to charge your MI band. This is a standard USB connector. Let us open the main stuff for which we have been waiting so far. The quality of the wristband seems to be pretty okay. It is more or less like a silicone rubber. You can see the heart rate sensor at the rear, which is completely protected by a coating, a film there, and hence it is waterproof as well, as they say. You can see the charging points here, which will be connected to the pogo pins that you see on the charger. Again, you can see the MI branding at the back. So this is the screen, how it looks when you open first, and the screen looks pretty neat, pretty clean, and it's true black. I could see the difference in terms of the other smart bands that you can find. This is true AMOLED display, and it is, you can see the difference because it is, the contrast is high, the brightness also is good, and you cannot see the background. It's the true black that you can achieve with the help of AMOLED. There's few screens that you can see. Workout modes. In the workout mode we can see outdoor, running, treadmill, cycling, walking, exercise, pool swimming. Comparatively little less than what we can see in others, and here it is the weather. Then in more we have the timer, find device, silent, band display. I'll just click on this. You can see some of the other band faces which is available on this band. So that's about it.